Hello everyone, myself Ruchita, currently pursuing my BE at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering at the Department of CSE Data Science. Today in this presentation, I am going to present a topic related to principle of C programming using C, and topic is structure of programming. Before going to a topic, let me give a small introduction to C programming structure. C programming structure allow you to a group of variable of a different types under a single name. Structure in C help in organizing a data and making the code more reliable and maintainable. They provide a way to represent a real world entities in a program. Basic syntax of a structure. In C, a structure is defined using a struct keyword followed by a structure tag and a list of variables. The structure tag is optional but can be used to declare a variables of the structure type letter in the program. The variables within a structure is called as a member or a field. Declaring a structure. After defining a structure, we can declare a variable of that structure by the type using the struct keyword followed by the structure tag and variable names. Each variable declared will have its own set of members defined by a structure. For an example, struct employee, character name 50, int will be employee, float will be a salary. Accessing the structure membrane. To access the membrane of a structure variable, you used to add a dot operator. For an example, structure employee, employee1, employee1 employed is equals to 101, employee1 salary 50,000 dot 0. You can also use the pointers to the structure for the accessing and manipulating a structure membrane. Nested structure. In C, structure can be nested within other structure. This allows for creating the more complex data for structure by combining the multiple structure. Accessing a membrane of the nested structure can involve using the multiple dot operators. Arrays of a structure. You can create arrays of a structure in C to store a multiple records of the same structure type. This is useful for managing a collection of a data like a list of an employee or a student. Accessing the elements of an array structure involving using the array index. Passing structures to the function. You can pass a structure to a function in C either by passing the structure variable itself or by passing a pointer to the structure. Passing the structure by reference using the pointer allows the function to modify the original structure. This is useful for the function that need to work with a complex data structure. Returning a structure from a function. C functions can also return a structure as a return values. When returning a structure from a function, you can either return the structure itself or a pointer to a structure. Make sure the structure scope is valid outside the function if you are returning the pointer to it. Memory allocation for a structure. Memory for structure in C is allocated continuously in the memory. The size of a structure is determined by the sum of the size of its members. Use of size of operator to calculate the size of a structure in bits. Dynamic memory allocation of a structure. You can allocate memory for a structure dynamically using the function like Macalo, Calco, or a Realco or member to free the dynamical allocated member using the free function to prevent a memory leaks. Dynamic memory allocation is useful when you need to create a structure at a runtime. Type def in C structure. The type def keyword in a C allows you to create a alias for a data type, including a structure. Data type def can simplify the declaration of the structure variable by providing the custom type of a name. For an example, type def struct employee, character name 50, int employee, float salary employee. Bit field in structure. Bit fields in C structure allows you to specify the number of bits each membrane should copy. This can be useful when the working with a hardware register or optimizing the memory usage. Bit field provide a way to pack a multi-variable into a single memory location. Unions in C structure. Unions in C structure are similar to the structure but only to allocate enough memory to hold the largest member. Allow members of the union share the same memory location, allowing you to store a different type of data in the same memory space. Unions are useful when you need to save memory and only need to one member at a time. Enumeration of a structures. Enumeration in a C allows you to define a set of named integer constants. Enumeration can use within the structure to represent a set of related values. Enumeration provide a way to make the code more reliable and maintainable. Preprocessor directives for the structure. Preprocessor directive like hashtag define or hashtag if define, hashtag if diff can used with a structure in C. You can define a constant for a structure membrane members or a conditional compile structure definition based on the preprocessor flag. Preprocessor directives can help in managing the structure, declaration and definitions efficiency. Best practices for using C structure. Use meaningful name of a structure tags, members and a variable to improve a code readability. Keep structure simple and avoid nesting them too deeply to maintain a code clarity. Document the structure layout, member detail and usage in the comments for the future reference. Use case of structure in C programming. Structures are commonly used for presenting complex data like employee records, student information, or geometric shapes. They are essential for organizing related data in program and passing structured data between the function. Structure plays a crucial role in data structure and algorithm implementations in C. Conclusion. Understanding a C programming structure is essential for writing essential and maintainable code. Structure provide a way to organize the data, logical access membrane easily and manage a complex and data structure. By mastering a structure in C, you can enhance your programming skill and design robust applications.